Ever wished you could display your prized possessions in Minecraft without those clunky, distracting item frames? Today, I'm going to show you how to get invisible item frames, perfect for creating sleek displays or even secret entrances. The method varies slightly depending on your version of Minecraft, so let's explore both the command method and the crafting recipe where available. First, let's cover the command method, which works in most modern versions of Minecraft. Open your chat window and type the following command. Give it s_item_frame entity tag invisible 1b. This command gives the player an invisible item frame. As you can see, holding the item frame, you will notice there is no frame, only the item you are holding. Now, place the invisible item frame on any block. You'll notice only the item you place inside is visible. You can rotate the item just like a normal item frame. In some versions of Minecraft, specifically those with the Bedrock Edition parity features, you can craft an invisible item frame. To do this, you need an item frame and dye. Any color of dye will do. Place the item frame and dye of your choice into the crafting table. Doing so will give you an invisible item frame. So, whether you use commands or crafting, you now have awesome invisible item frames. Use them to create hidden displays, floating item effects, or just to show off your items in a more subtle way. That's all for this quick tutorial. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tricks.